In this video, we will learn how to turn invert view on and off in Fortnite. So in Fortnite, if you want to turn your invert view settings on, it is extremely simple. Firstly, all you need to do is press on the profile picture icon from the top right hand side of your screen. After coming in here, you need to click on the gear button. After that, you need to head to the games tab. After coming to the games tab, from the left hand side, select the extra game option. In here, you will see the invert view option. All you need to do is turn it on to turn the invert view on. So after doing that, just get back into the lobby. So now after you get into a game, you will see that your up and down settings are reversed, but the left and right are still there. So when you are looking up, now it will be looking down, and when you look down, it will be looking up, which essentially means that your looking settings have been inverted. So this is how you can easily change your setting to inverted setting in Fortnite and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.